Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off notifications on the Mobile Legends game. So let's get started right away. Now, if you don't wish to receive any notification from the Mobile Legends game on your device, then in order to change this setting, just locate the application first and long press on it. You will see the application info button which you can tap on in order to end up within the app info page. Now, if the application is still running, tap on the forced stop button at the bottom right corner to stop the application. Once the app has been stopped, underneath privacy, tap on notifications. And now if the allow notifications toggle is turned on or set to the right, then this will enable all notifications from the game. So simply tap on the toggle and now no notifications will be shown on your device from this game. You can turn this setting back on at any point of time by going back into the app info page. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to turn off notifications on the Mobile Legends game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.